That method you can try this one. What we did in last class. 103 into 109. 103 into 109. I hope everyone remember that method, right? Yes. Just find the answer within 5 seconds. Yes. Yes, we are getting. Those who are network available, just on the video, okay? Just want to see. Maybe in backside, not turn on the videos. So your answer is, this is 3, 9, plus 9 and plus 3. I told you starting with 100. 9 plus 3 is 12, right? 9 plus 3 is 12. So 112. 9 to 3 is 27. This is answer, right? 11227. 11227. Check your answer is correct. 11227. So this only we did in last class. The number above 100. I told you this method we are applying the numbers near to 100. Okay, the numbers near to 100. That means till 110, 115 we can do. Similarly, the number near to 100, less than 100 also you can apply. 98, 97, okay, 96, 95. Like that numbers also we can apply. Okay, so we will do 2, 3 questions. How we will do that? You can write 98, 97. 98 into 97. 98 into 97. Here we can see that, see if it is 103 will write plus 3, right? This is above 100. So this is below 100, right? So 100 minus 2 only 98. So I'm writing minus 2 and I'm writing downstairs. The positive number you can write upstairs. Negative number means keep downstairs. Okay, minus 2. So here I can write minus 3. Here I can write minus 3. So remember, here if you write plus 3, here you write minus 2. Above 100 write plus, below 100 write minus. Okay. So here I am writing minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 2 and minus 3. Remember, okay. So this is the first step. Why I am writing minus 2 is 100 minus 2 is 98. 100 minus 2 is 97. That's why I am writing minus 2 minus 3. Okay. Now what you have to do is, starting step is same. We are starting with 100 only. 100 is our number. Previously we will add 9 plus 3, 12. Then 112. Here if you add minus 2 minus 3, if you add you will get minus 5. If you add minus 2 and minus 3, we will get minus 5, right? Minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. Minus 2 plus minus 3. Same sign we will add only. So we will get minus 5. Okay, I think 7th standard also know this addition. Same sign we will add. Minus 2 plus minus 3 minus 5. Okay, so 100 minus 5. From 100 if you minus 5 you will get a 95. From 100 if you do this minus 5 you will get 95. Okay, so first step here also there are two steps. First we will add minus 2 plus minus 3 will get minus 5. Same like here adding, but here 100 plus 12. Here 100 minus 5. 100 minus 5 is 95. Now second step here we will multiply. Same also here also multiply. Minus 2 into minus 3. We will get 6. Minus minus will go to plus. Minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. Right? And I told you, cannot write only 6. If you write 06, it should be 2 digits. 06. So your answer is 9506. Your answer is 9506. 9506. So two things you have to remember. Addition, first you add that minus number, then subtract from 100. Subtract from 100, then multiplication is same. Multiplication is same. Okay. 95 into 96. Right. 95 into 96. Hope all are getting answer. 95 into 96. One minute. One call came. Yeah, I hope all are getting the answer. Okay. -5, -4. So I'm getting -9. -5, -4 is -9. 100 minus 9 is 91. 91. 100 minus 9 is 91. 5 into 4 is 20. 9120. 9120. Right? Okay. One more question. Do within 5 seconds. Okay? 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Finish. Over. 5 seconds over. Finishing. Finish, right? 8, 3, 11, 89, 24. 89, 24. 8924, right? 8924. 8924. Now, so what we did is, first two numbers are above 100, next two numbers are below 100, right? Now what we are going to do is, still I think somewhere down. So -3 and -8, how we will get this? For -3 minus 100 minus 3 only 97, 100 minus 8 only 92. Okay, 100 minus 3 only 97, 100 minus 8 only 92. Okay? So -3 plus -8 is -11. 100 minus 7 is 89. -3 into -8 is 24. Okay. Now what we are going to do is, one number is above 100, one number is above 100, another number is below 100. Okay, what we are going to do is, one number is above 100, another number is below 100. So it's the same step we are starting. This here plus 3, right? 100 plus 3. So plus 3 right above. Plus 3 right above. This is 100 minus 5, right? So minus 5 right below. Okay. So plus 3 right above, minus 3 right below. Because one number is plus, one number is minus. Okay. And this is so previously what we will do is, these two number will add. We will add these two number. Here, this plus 3 and minus 5, both are different sign, right? So you studied, if it is different sign, we will subtract. Different sign we will subtract, right? And we will get big. So plus 3 minus 5, we will get minus 2, right? Different sign will subtract and bigger sign, right? 3 minus 5 will get minus 2. Studied, right? Plus 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So first step is, we will write here plus 3, we will write here minus 5. Different sign means we will subtract. So plus 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So we will write, obviously minus 2 means we will write 100 minus 2, right? 100 minus 2 is 98. 100 minus 2 is 98. 100 minus 2 is 98. Okay. Any doubt? Say plus 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Okay, that's the right in 98. And previous question we will multiply, right? Plus 3 into minus 5 we will multiply also. Here if you multiply we will get minus 15. Here at minus 15. Here multiply we will get minus 15. You can check that previous all question you are getting plus answer. You will get plus 15, plus 12, plus 3 like that, plus 6 like that. Here only we are getting minus 15. Okay. So if it is plus 50, plus number we will write there directly. But here now you cannot write this method directly. What you have to do is one small step you have to do. Just put two zeros. Just put two zeros and minus this 15. This 15 minus from this. So your answer is 59785. Your answer is 9785. Just put two zeros and your answer is just minus 6. Your answer is minus 6. So this step is extra. Okay, when we are doing this step, one is plus, one is minus. One is plus, one is minus. One more will do. Hundred and 4 and 99. 104 into 99. Plus 4. I think this step is clear. Plus 4 minus 1. So plus 4 minus 1. Different sign. Subtract, okay? 4 minus 1. 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. This is plus 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. This is plus 3. I think till this is clear. First I wrote plus 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So previously got my minus 2. That's a 98. This is plus 3. If we plus number add it, okay? Plus number add it. So 100 plus 3. So 100 plus 3. So first 103. Because of plus 3, we'll add 100 plus 3, 103. Okay, 100 plus 303. Now, see, both are different. So, put two zeros. Put two zeros. If I multiply plus 4 into minus 1, you know you get minus 4. 4 into minus 2, you get minus 4. So, that 4 you minus from here. 4 you minus from here. So, your answer is 69201. 10296. 10296. And another application of this question is, okay, it's not related to 100. You can do related to 1000 also, same method. Okay, you can do using 1000 also, same method. But you have to do one small change that I will tell you. One question we will do related to 1000. So same method only will apply 1000 also. So one question based on 1000, okay? 1003. 1003 and 1002. This question base is 1000, okay? Base is 1000, not 100. Base is 1000. So this is plus 3, plus 2. Same method. Plus 3, plus 2. So plus 3 and plus 2 will get plus 5. Plus 3 and plus 2 will get plus 5. Right? Plus 3 plus 2 will get plus 5. So previously we'll add from 100 because base is 100. This is 1000. So we'll add from 1000. So we'll get 1005. We will get 1005. 1005. We'll add this 5 from 1000. 1005 will get. Now we will multiply 3 into 2. We get 6. We will get 6. Okay. Previously we will write only 0, 6 only. Why I am getting 0, 6 I am writing is because 100 have only 2 zeros. That's why here 2 decimal. Here 1000 3 zeros. So here we need 3 numbers. So I am writing one more 0. 0, 0, 6. 0, 0. That is only, this is only the difference. All other same. So answer is 0, 0, 6, 0. 0, 0. This is only the difference. Previously only 2 number, here only 3 number came. That's the difference. Okay. Then previously all the same method we can apply here. We can multiply 9999 into 998, same method. Okay. So any number related to 1000 also we can apply. Any number related to 10,000 also we can apply. Any number related to 1 lakh also we can apply this method. Okay. So not only 100, 100,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, all we can apply the same method. Okay. So this is the multiplication. I hope all understood. Now we'll go to subtraction. Okay. Now you will go to the subtraction method. Multiplication, still some tricks are there. That anyway, basic trick we studied. Now the time is there, we'll study the remaining tricks. So subtraction, spark subtraction. Subtraction also many method is there. That one easy method only I am teaching. Spark subtraction. After subtraction, we'll go for division. Okay. Spark. Spark subtraction. Another name also there. Base complement. Base complement method. Spark subtraction or base complement method. Okay. Spark subtraction or base complement. So here one word is there, complement. Okay. So in Vedic maths, many problems, not only subtraction, division and all, this word will come, complement. So you should know what is the complement of a number according to the Vedic maths. I'm just telling for only one digit, okay? Only for single digit number only complement. Very easy. One complement of one. Complement of one. Just check which number add, you will get 10. If you add 9, you will get 10, right? 1. So 1 and 9 are complement. Complement of 1 is 9. Complement of 9 is 1. Just check 1 plus 9 is 10. That is the method for a complement. Okay? Now you see complement of 2. Complement of 2, it is equal to complement of 2 is 8. Complement of 2 is 8 because 2 plus 8 is 10. Okay? Complement of 2 is 8. Complement of 2 is 8. So now I think all understood what do you mean by complement. Complement of 3. Complement of 3. If you add which number, we'll get 10. Complement of 3. Complement of 3 is 7. Right? Easily you can tell us complement of 3 is 7. Because 3 plus 7 is 10. Complement of 4. Complement of 4. Complement of 4 is 6. Complement of 4 is 6. Complement of 5. 5 only. 5 plus 5 is 12. So subtraction method, we just know the complement. Okay. Complement of 1 means 9. Complement of 2 means 8. 3 is 7. 4 is 6. 5 is 7. So immediately complement of 1 means 9 should come to your mind. 1 plus 9. 2 plus 8. 3 plus 7. 4 plus 6. 5 plus 5. Okay. So don't forget the complement. If you know the complement only, we can do subtraction easily. Okay. I hope all are writing. Just take the note, okay? Complement. Just note it. Complement, just note it. Okay, complement. So I hope that everyone understood the complement. One complement is 9, 3 is 7, 2 is 8, 4 is 6, 5 is 5. Opposite also. 9 complement is 1, 8 complement is 2, 3 complement is 7, 6 complement is 4, 5 and 5. Now, when we are subtracting that, okay, when we subtracting that, there are maybe like that, there is a chance. 7 minus 4 is a direct subtraction. Suppose if you took like this, there are two chances. Suppose I'm subtracting 37 minus 4 or 34 minus 7. Okay. See, when we subtracting here, suppose 3 I'm just removing. 7 minus 3. It's a direct subtraction only. Very easily you can tell. 7 minus 3, you know. 7 minus 3, 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay. This is direct one. So I'm just reading this is direct. Right? This direct. Suppose this 3 is there. This I'm just read as indirect. I'm just give the name indirect. I'm just giving the name. What we are doing this one, we will carry from other side, we will take the number, right? We will carry that step we are doing. Because this number is small, so we will carry from here, right? That number is here. For that method, I'm just telling indirect. Okay. What I am going to avoid is subtraction. Okay, everyone knows subtraction. You are doing fastly. Okay, no problem. Just I'm just teaching a different method. Instead of carrying, I'm not taking one number from other side. It's a small number. I'm not taking carry one from other side. Okay? If someone are making mistake in carrying and subtraction, I'm just using the other method. That method only we are applying. Okay. So I'm just noting I'm using direct and indirect. So whenever I'm telling indirect, this should come to your mind. Okay. Indirect means that carries them. So whenever I'm subtracting, whenever I am subtracting, okay, I'm just start from left to right, left to right. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. This is 1. This is direct. Okay. 3 minus 2 is direct. There is no problem. 7 minus 3, 4. This is direct subtraction. So this is direct only. So there is no problem. Okay. Now I'm just doing this one. This is our question one. 4 minus 2. Direct only. This is direct only. Okay. You can avoid the step. Okay. So many steps we are avoiding because of first problem. I'm explaining full step. I'm just direct. 4 minus. Whenever 2 minus 5. This is indirect. Okay. Indirect. Whenever indirect comes, this is indirect. I will do two steps. Whenever indirect comes, I will just cut this 2 and I will write 1. Okay, I will just cut this 2 and write 1. Indirect, no? What is the complement of 5? I will write complement of, what is the complement of 5? 5 only. Complement of 5 is 5 only. And I will add these two numbers. I will add these two numbers. 2 plus 5 is 7. So I am not using carry step. I am not using carry step. I am not using carry step. Okay, I will explain once again. I will explain once again. I will clear your problem. Okay, once again I will tell. First one. Here actually this is 0 only. 0 only. So 3 minus 0 is 3 only. Okay. Indirect one. Indirect one. Okay. I am writing complement. I am writing complement. I am writing complement. 8 complement is 2. Okay. I told you cut this one. 3 plus 2 is 5. The answer is 20, 25. Answer is 25. Next problem always I will not use this method. I will write direct answer. Next problem I will not use this method. I will write direct answer. Okay. I will not use that method. I will write direct answer. For writing direct answer, what you have to do is so I'm not using this one. Okay. Direct one. 7 minus 2 is direct. Okay. But before writing the answer, just check the next. Before writing 7 minus 2 is 5, just check the next. If the next is indirect, okay, just write minus 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. So you have 5. 5. Next is indirect. So write 4. Don't write 5. Just write 4. Okay. What is the reason you are writing 4? Because next is indirect. So just write 4. Now complement is 4. Complement is 4. 3 plus 4, 7. 3 plus 4, 7. Okay, so we are not carrying anything. There is no carrying, there is nothing. Just write the complement and we are adding. Possible direct separate or we can take. Okay. So whenever direct subtraction is there, just look the next number. If the next is indirect, write minus 1. Okay, if the next is direct, no problem, we can do that one. Okay. Now we are moving to little on bigger numbers. We are moving to the bigger numbers. 3-digit number. These all subtraction we are doing from left to right. Okay, I told you starting where this stuff we are doing left to right. I'm not taking from that side. Normally subtraction we are doing from this side. 5 minus 2 is 3. But I will check the next. Next also direct. Next also direct. So no problem. We can write 3. There is no issue. We can write 3. Because next is direct. 3 minus 1. 2. So I have 2 in hand. 2. Next is indirect. Next is indirect. So 1 remove. 1. Complement of 9. 1. 7 plus 1 8. 7 plus 1 8. 7 plus 1 8. Okay. So now little more bigger number. Try yourself. Okay. So 5 minus 2 is 3. I'm just doing with the 3 only because next is direct. 3 minus 1 is 2 only, but next is indirect, so I'll just write 1. Take the complement, add it. Take the complement, add it. Try, okay? Everyone can try. I hope we are getting answer. Still someone are doing, do it fast, fast. Yeah, many are getting. One more information. Maybe coming week Thursday class will change this to Wednesday. Okay, I'll put in group. Okay, Thursday. This coming Thursday, I want to be free. So that class I will shift to Wednesday. Okay, same time only. So Wednesday class is there. I will inform in group. Tuesday I will put in group. Okay, time I go. So please go through the group. Till someone are not there in group, just send a message from that number. That number I will add it. Okay. So Thursday class, remember, I will change it to Wednesday only for this coming week. So I hope the answer, I don't got the answer. So still someone have doubt, I will just explain. 9 minus 3, 6, keep in mind, okay? 9 minus 3 is 6. Indirect, this is indirect, so I'm writing 5. Indirect, I'm writing 5. So 9 minus 3, I'm writing 5 only. 6, so actual answer is 6, but this is indirect, I'm writing 5. Complement of 5 is 5 only. Complement of 5, so 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. Right? But in 8, you have to see the next step. This is also indirect. So which number will write? We'll write 7 only. We'll write 7 only. We'll write 7 only. What's the reason? 3 plus 5 is 8. Remember, okay, 3 plus 5 is 8. Whenever complement is there, we'll add only, okay? 3 plus 5 is 8, but this is indirect. So 7. Okay. Now this complement of 8 is 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. This is direct, so no problem. You can write 9, you can write. Now 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. But this is indirect, 3. Check you are getting this answer. Oh, sorry, sorry. 57939. Got the answer? Anyone have confusion came here? 3 plus 5 is 8 only. 3 plus 5 is 8 only, but this is indirect. That's why we just wrote 7. Whenever getting answer, check the next one. Whenever if you are getting answer, check the next one. Okay. So one more I'll give. Only 10 seconds. Okay. Find the answer within 10 seconds. Within 10 seconds. Yes, when we are getting Rochelle, Andrea, Mariam, Uda, Niveda, Joel, Vijayalakshmi, Ruben, Anand, Ravan, Angel number, yeah, Akash, Aish, Rohit, Kavas, Aaron, Kandan, Roshni, Sakina, Hiba, Madhav. What about others? Others do fast. Maisa, Dheeraj, is Jeremy, Tia, Emily. Still many are there. Ashwin, Alvin, Sarah, Kevin, Joshua, Samiha, Srihari, Abdul Ras. Yes, I'm seeing many are getting. I'll just check your answer is correct. Direct. Direct only. But next number is indirect. 7 and 6 is 1. Next number is indirect, so 0, 3, 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. But this is indirect. 4, 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. This is direct. For the answer, right? So, not necessarily use subtraction this method, but once you feel that carrying one, carrying two is difficult, you can use the path subtraction. Okay. So subtraction also many methods are there. This is only one of the method. Okay. Now I'm just moving to the division. Division also many steps. Division one general method is there. That I think no time that you will do next class. So one specific method, division of one particular number only today we'll teach. Okay. The remaining general division, how to divide a big numbers, that you will study in Wednesday class. The Wednesday class, don't miss it, because how to divide a number to 43, how to divide a number to 105, that are all big numbers. How to divide with the big numbers within 2-3 seconds, that you will study in Wednesday. It will take little time. Okay. So Wednesday class or next class, don't miss it. Okay. How to divide the big numbers, will. So today we will use how to divide a number ending with 9. How to divide a number ending with 9 only will today. Okay, main division we will study in next class. So today we are doing division of a number ending with 99, 999, like that how we will do it. Okay. Main division we will do in next class, because now there is no time, only 10 minutes remaining. So you can write the heading division. You can write the heading division. Division. Specific, okay? Division ending with 9. Okay, division with 9. No need to write ending with division with number 9. Okay. 521 divided with 9. 521 divided with 9. Just write 5, 2, 1 like this. Just little a gap, right? And first I'll write 5. First I'll write 5. Then what I'll do is, I will add this 5 and 2. I will add this 5 and 2. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay. Then I will add this 7 with the next number. Then I will add this 7 with the next number. 7 plus 1 is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay. So nothing I did. First I wrote 5. Just add 5 plus 2. Then 7 plus next number. The last number, I'll just circle it. This is the remainder. So basically this is the answer. This is the portion. So your answer is 57 and your remainder is 8. Your answer is 57 and your remainder is 8. We'll check this is correct or wrong. Suppose 521. 9 5 7. 45. 7. 21. Right? 9 7 7. 63. Right? You will get answer 57. You will remain with 8. 57 and 8. Second doubt is there. Just write the numbers. Just write the numbers. Just add it. Okay. One more question. There is a one small change will be there if the remainder is 9 or above. That I will tell you. Okay. Remainder should be less than 9. Okay. Remainder should be less than 9. 3, 5, 9. Normally, I tell this is a remainder, right? Normally, it is because there is no chance of remainder will come 9 because we are dividing by 9, right? So don't take the 9. If it is 9 or above came, just take 1 here. That 1 9 you can take it here. So answer is 36. Here remainder is 0. Here remainder is 0. Because exactly 9 coming, right? Exactly 9 coming. Just take that is 1. 9 will go in one time, right? So answer will come 36. And the remainder is 0. Answer will come 36 and the remainder is 0. Okay. I will remove that confusion. One question. I will remove your confusion. Everything divided by 9, okay? I will tell you how to do in 99 and all. 5, 7, 40. Okay. So there is no chance of remainder 14, right? Because we are dividing with 9. There is no chance of 14. 14 means, 14 means 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 only 14, right? 9 plus 5 only 14. So what I will write is, your answer is, just take this 9 to here as 1. 9 means 1. 1 time will go. So your answer is 58. Your answer is 58 and your remainder is this number 5. Your remainder is 5. Your answer is 58 and your remainder is 5. I hope now you understood the method. This is check more than 9. More than 9. Then 9 plus 5. Then 9 you take as 1. Then 5. Okay. So this is 9 only. Now we'll check how we will do with the 99. How we will do with the 99. How you will do with the 99. Main thing is grouping only. Okay. Main thing is grouping. So remember, suppose not for this number, I'm just writing some number. This is one number we are dividing. First of all, you have to check how many nines are there. If we are dividing with the 3 9, from here you have to group like this 3, 3 like this. Then there's 2 will replace. Okay. If we are dividing the 3 9, you have to group from right side 3 number at a group. First question we are doing with one number. That's why we are grouping separate. Okay. Now this question we are doing with how many numbers? There are 2 nines. You see 2 nines. So I am grouping like this. This is one group, this other group. From this side, one group, 2 numbers. So 25 is in one group, 3 is in other group. So grouping is important. Why I am grouping like this is 2 9 is there. That's why I am just writing 25 together. Remember? Okay? Don't forget. First step is same. First step is same. Now, I am not adding 3 plus 2. Instead of 3 plus 25. 28. This is your answer. This is your remainder. Easy, right? First one is the answer 3 plus 25, 28. Why I'm not, we are doing with 99. Okay, that's why 28 we are not splitting. 28 is less than 99. So this is the answer, this is the remainder. So grouping is important. How we will group numbers, that is important. Okay, how we will group the number, that is important. One more, last one. Twenty-three plus 60. 23 plus 60. Remainder. Okay. So I hope everyone understood the method. How to divide with a 9. Okay. General method, next class we study how to divide a big number, how to remove decimal numbers, we study next class. Okay. So I hope today's class is clear. So anyone have doubt, you can raise the hand, otherwise you can leave. If anyone not, you can raise or you can leave. So clear, right? Only some of them and see. First, yeah, these are gift.
Since you don't understand, disconnected.
Disconnected, that is the general doubt. Disconnected, once you free time, you just message me clear, okay? Disconnected, don't ask now. Any other doubts? In between class, any doubt? Okay, disconnected, if I explain when again time will go. Yeah, what is Harita get tell?
I was disconnected, so I didn't understand the question 103 into 95 and 104 into 99.
That is you message in a disconnected, right? Disconnected one, right?
Yes.
That just message me personally disconnected one, okay? General doubt, I'm just telling disconnected doubt, I'll put general doubt. Any other have general doubt? Method, any doubt you can have. Disconnected or no, if I explain again in class, others again no. Any other? No, right? So shall I wind up? So next class, most probably on Wednesday, I will put in group. Division will teach. Okay. Okay, then thank you.